how to get more energy on the Status app. So I'm going to show you all of the ways. Once you open up the app, then immediately you will see get 8 free actions for every friend you refer, and also earn 10 gems for the first time you link a TikTok about Status. So those are immediately ones which give you options of how you can get more energy. If you want to find all of the available methods of how you can get more energy, you will need to click on the gear icon in the top right, and then you will scroll down and find gameplay, and there should be a section called get free energy. Once we click on that, you will see all of the available methods, which is going to be referring a friend. So if you click on refer a friend, you can share them an invite link, and if they sign up for the app using your invite link and referral code, you will receive a reward, and so will your friend. So that's one way of how you can get more energy. Another way of how you can get more energy is by watching ads here, as it says under refer a friend. And the last option is going to be reviewing the app on the App Store. So all of those will give you energy, which you can then use to play the Status app. Hope this video answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.